If you're looking to get a lot of faith in your life, you may want to consider the Faith 10-pack tamper-resistant Decorator receptacles. Why would anyone want 10 of these? Well, if you're redoing your receptacles, modern household has at least 3 to 4 in each room, so you can get to 10 really quick. These are rated for 15 amps, 125 volts, and are tamper resistant along with being UL listed. What you get in the box are 10 receptacles. You can see the little shutters are closed to prevent anyone from poking something in there and inadvertently getting themselves shocked. If you look on the back, you have 2 side terminals on both ends of it. So that's great because you can wire power coming in and then loop out to another outlet. You also have terminal ports so you can directly push the wire into here instead of using the side terminals. Like most receptacles, it does include a strip gauge so that you can cut the wire to the right length for either using the port or the side terminal. You also get a sheet of instructions and a 1-year warranty. The circuit is off in this room. I've completed 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. Come to my 5th outlet in the same room, and I put my non-contact probe on it, and it flashes to my surprise. So I'm going to trace this out to see where it actually shows up on the circuit breaker. But just a word to the wise. Don't assume that because the outlets are in the same room or the switches are in the same room and you flipped off the circuit breaker that they're all dead. Sometimes something else this is probably wired to the other room and they brought it through here for who knows why. But never assume, just always check to make sure that the circuit you're working on is indeed off. Down to the final 2 outlets, I discovered that these ports aren't all uniform. So there are times where I can push the wire in here, and there are times where I can't, and I have to resort to the side terminals. A little annoying that their quality control is a little bit lacking. That's 20%, 2 out of 10. Within a few hours, I had all 10 receptacles mounted on the wall, and overall it was fairly painless process. There were just 2 issues that I came across with, and one was that the wire ports on the back on 2 of the 10 units were different sizes, so I couldn't just push the wire in there, so I had to side mount using the side terminals to do that. The other issue I had was this wall plate that you have to purchase separately. I noticed that on a few of these receptacles, it was a bit more difficult to install them. So I think the tolerance on these receptacles isn't great in that there's some variation. So, because this is a name brand, so I'm pretty sure these are dead on, and I've never had problems with these wall plates before. But on a few of these receptacles, the wall plates didn't quite align. The screws, the fasteners here, didn't quite align properly. And so it took a little working as opposed to you just fasten one and fasten the other and you're done. So what do I have to say about this product? Well, if you're looking to install 10 of these fairly quick and you just want to use the push connection on the back, there could be an issue for that. Unless you have the tolerance for opting to go with the side terminals every now and then, you may opt for a different brand where they're more consistent with the port openings on the back so that you can push your wires and just move on. Other than the 2 issues I've mentioned, installation was fairly quick on these, so you can actually go through 10 of these in just a few hours if you've had any practice in installing the outlets. By going with the Faith receptacles, you can update the look of your home and do it at a cost-effective price. Apologies for those who were looking to see a full installation on this product. The installations are pretty much the same from product to product, so I'll just give you a link to another one. But this is really more about whether I can fully recommend this. And like I said, if you're looking to do a couple of these in the house, I think this will work just fine. If you're the kind of person that you only want to use the push-in connectors in the back, then this may not be the product for you. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Give us a thumbs up if you did, leave us a comment, and as always, thank you so much for watching.